Stormy with StouderHouse, and I wanted to make a video today to show you a few things that I've learned over the years and give you a few tips on how to deal with natural deodorant. Some of you know we make our own natural deodorant, 2 sizes. It is an oil-based product. There are lots of things to get used to when you're switching to natural deodorant, but one of those is the fact that it is oil-based and it does build up on your clothes. So especially in the summertime here in Texas, it's hot and you're gonna sweat every day, and when you sweat it causes more of the oil to seep off onto your clothes. So I just make it a habit in the summertime especially of treating our shirts before I launder them every time. And what I use is our cleaning soap bar that I make to help with that. Now this is a really strong bar of soap, so I really don't recommend that you use it with your bare hands. I always wear gloves when I mess with this soap, but I'll show you how I do ours, and hopefully this will help you along. So I get the bar wet, and one of the things I like to do is just stack up all the dirty shirts in a pile so I don't have to fool with them while the water's running and everything. But I just get them all in a pile and go over the underarms of them, whether I can see anything or not, and just get a good little coat of suds soap spread out over the underarms of the shirt, and then peel that shirt off and go to the next shirt and make my way down the pile. After I have treated all of these shirts, I let them sit for about an hour before I launder them. You can let them sit for days, so just whenever it's convenient for you to do it. I generally just pile it up on laundry day and go through them like this, and it also gives you an opportunity to treat any other stains down the front of the shirt. It will work on dirt or spaghetti sauce or, you know, all of those common things that we get all over our clothes. Anyway, I hope this helps you out. Natural deodorant is definitely the way to go. All natural products, check out our blog and on our website at StouderHouse.com. Thanks.